This is a Snap-on KR650 and KR655. Drawers for the bottom are out right now. Still need to do a little bit of cleaning on the bottom box and the drawers. I'm going to show you the exterior first. As you can see, these ones are not perfectly true, but they're not horribly bad either. You go full extension there. Just a little bit of rust and gunk on the friction slides. Again, drawer is pretty clean. Back has some nicks and scratches. Nice and straight. And there's your minor oxidation on the friction slide there. Same on this side. That's pretty representative of what you can see on these. Same deal. Looks a little bit worse in the shadow. That side, I guess I flipped it the other way around, maybe. Another nice drawer. Sticks a little bit there. I didn't put any lube or anything on these when I cleaned the friction slides off. And these drawers, they're all nice and square. No real issues with the lips there. And again, it's how it goes. You got just a little bit of chipping on the top there. And again, just a real minor bend on this end. It looks like maybe someone had pushed into this corner at one point. There you go. Real minor chipping right there. These slides I just wiped down with a dry cloth. Nice and straight. There's a little wiggle in them. Nothing major. This one wants to pull back just a little bit. Again, nice clean interior. No real major chipping. It's just slightly bent. The bottom drawer, the deepest drawer. A little dusty, clean interior. This is some gunk that can get just kind of scraped off. Must have been slacking. Now on the front of this drawer, there's some real minor hard to see, but it's just a little bit pushed in right here. You can see the crease. Really not much at all. It's hard to show. Here's the bottom box. I haven't wiped it all the way down yet. No sheet metal issues, just needs a good wipe down. Now on slides, like I said, it looks like this guy used WD-40. Etc. Here you go. This one is a little bit bent. I honestly think all but about 2 sets of slides are savable. You maybe could do a little bit better depending how much you want to work on it. Just pretty crusty. This one, as you can see, is a little bit out of track. Most of these do have all their ball bearings and cages, which is encouraging to me. And that's why I think most of them could be saved. Real clean interior, no denting or tweaked sections. So here we go. You can see, I don't know if this is touch-up paint. I didn't scrub at it real hard because I didn't want to remove paint. It's a little bit of a different color, or something wipes down the side there. You can see this bottom edge nice and straight. The trim there looking pretty good. This is the back side. There's a little stamp, kind of. Got some real minor scratching in the paint here. Sheet metal is perfect on the back. This trim piece needs to be reattached. I have it sitting right here. This end's a little mangled. It's not too tough of a fix, honestly. Here's our top of the top box. You can see there's one of the little bird poo marks, possibly. Sheet metal is perfect. You have a few little marks here and there. Nothing to really worry about. Trim on this side is pretty damn good for an old toolbox. And there we go, top's open. You got your extra special vintage snap-on stickers. Ooh la la. Little gunk mark there. Lock mechanism looks good. Doesn't look like there's anything that should keep it from working on the interior either. One moment. Here we have a little bit of a dent. It's hard to see, hard to show, but pushed in just a little bit, right around there. Right where my finger is, basically. Well, it's really hard to see, but I'd say at the deepest center section here, I would say that is about a 1/4 inch, and affects just this area. No handle. If you really want one, I could steal one off another box I have. We could figure it out. Casters are actually in pretty darn good shape. Locked right now. So I'll move a little bit. My carport floor isn't too even either. Take the brakes off and you are rolling. No flat spots or anything. Got a little paint rub right there. And I think that's about it.